Laurence Diadienne, and I'm one of the comic book artists. In this project, I will guide and teach students how to make an 8-page comic by folding one sheet of paper into a zine, how to use visual language to tell stories with depth, focus, and clarity, how to use pencils, inks, and colors to create thumbnails, sketches, and a finished product. Students will have access to an online comic book library for reference.
Hi, my name is Scott McLeod, and I am one of the comic book artists who will be working in partnership with Youth for Youth Quebec. In this project, I will guide and teach students how to make zines and use comic book templates, how to source photos and materials to help trace or freehand draw illustrations, how to use pencils, markers, watercolor pencils, and collage. Students will also have access to my film and comic books through Learn.
We'll be working in partnership with Youth for Youth Quebec to launch Learn's new I Belong Here project. It's designed to encourage students in Quebec's English schools to develop their French communication skills and increase their confidence in their future as bilingual Quebecers.
My no mistakes approach is designed to encourage students to have fun while they're enjoying the creative process of storytelling and drawing. This comic book project will engage students in generative reflection and creative processes to motivate them in their French second language learning.
My no talent approach is designed to encourage students to focus on clear storytelling, using a mix of drawing and text as tools for communication. This comic book project will engage students in generative reflection and creative processes to motivate them in their French second language learning.